Ruby's got a new helper. Yep, get the crumbs. Can you get the crumbs? What about over there? Look. Look at over there. Can you get those crumbs? Atta boy. Whoa, I think we're going to have to fire Velty. We got a new cleaner. Yeah. Look it. Get all the crumbs. Get the crumbs. Atta boy. And he really is getting all the crumbs. Watch your Kepi, please. I see more crumbs, Aaron. What about over there? Aaron, look at Booby. What about over there? Can you get those crumbs? Atta boy. And I see some in front of your foot. You see over there? No, over there. Look. Go get it. Atta boy. Wow. You see any more? Where else do you see crumbs? Where else, honey? Watch your head, honey. Okay, I think there's some more crumbs by your high chair. You want to go look by your high chair? No, you're done? Are you done? Okay.